The claw clip trend is still here, and I'm gonna show you the updated ways to style a claw clip in 2022. These are so cute, so trendy, super easy, and will have you looking fabulous and in style all day. So let's get started with our first style. Let's start with the half up hairstyle. This one is so cute. It has like a vintage vibe to it, and it makes your hair look so full and voluminous. So I'm gonna show you all the things. You're gonna need a little clear hair elastic. I just grabbed these off Amazon, a big old container, it's great. And then I'm also gonna use our vintage claw clip from our shop. It's a tiny claw clip. We'll need a smaller one for this hairstyle. I'm going to gather my hair in a half up style and just make sure it's a nice clean line. Smooth out any bumps that might be in my crown area. And then I'm gonna take my clear elastic and I'm gonna secure that part of my hair. Then I'm gonna create a small hole in this style and I'm gonna topsy-tail it, but I'm gonna, instead of flipping it through how you normally would, I'm gonna do it the opposite way. And then pull a little bit around my crown to make sure that we're hiding that little spot. Now I'm gonna take my tiny retro clip. This is from our shop. I'll put a link for it down below. I'm gonna flip that little ponytail up and clip that up underneath. This is going to give you the fullest, most voluminous little topsy-tail ponytail, and it looks so cute and retro. I love this style. Then I'm just gonna pull a little around my face, and that's all. For our next style, we're gonna do a pretty classic claw clip look, but we're gonna add a little bit of bling to it. I think this makes it so fun. So, I'm gonna gather my hair at the nape of my neck and then twist it counterclockwise. And then I'm gonna grab my claw clip. This is from our shop, and I'm gonna secure that into place. These are our jumbo claw clips. They're so good for holding thicker hair. I'm gonna pull some around my face. This just helps it look super soft. Next, I'm gonna grab the cutest little clip accessories from our shop and just gonna clip them into place. This just makes it look super fun, a little bit more classy than a regular claw clip. It's a fun way to dress it up. If you have long hair and you struggle with a claw clip, this is a super good trick to keep your hair in it without it getting too heavy and like pulling down. Also, a key is to use our jumbo claw clips or one of our Remy claw clips. They are the best for holding super thick hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you. Again, I'm gonna gather my hair at the nape of my neck, split it in half. I'm gonna smooth both of those sections, starting with my right section first. I'm gonna keep them separated, but I'm gonna start to tie them into a knot. So I'm flipping the left side that I then put to the right through that center hole to create a half knot. Twist them together. And then we're just gonna create a little topsy-tail type claw clip style and secure it with our claw clip. This is again from our shop, so good, comes in a couple colors and holds your hair really well. This is another good claw clip style if you have long hair. It's gonna hold your hair in place really well. And again, I'm gonna be using our jumbo claw clip. These are amazing. I'm just gonna gather my hair at the nape of my neck, smooth it out a little bit, and then we're gonna twist it counterclockwise to create a little ponytail, then clip it up using our jumbo claw clips for thick hair. It's our lathe set. And then I'm going to smooth the ponytail as it's draping over the left side of my clip, and then I'm going to twist it around my clip to the other side and tuck it in with the clip. It creates this really cool, elegant claw clip style that is unique but keeps your hair in place really well. Again, I'm gonna begin by gathering my hair at the nape of my neck. I'm gonna smooth it out, and then I'm gonna twist counterclockwise, and I'm gonna do that all the way till about I'm halfway down, and then I'm gonna begin twisting my bun counterclockwise, and this is gonna create a really cool textured bun. And then I'm gonna grab my Remy claw clip. This is from our shop as well. Such a good claw clip if you have heavy hair, but it's also great for all hair types. I think it's so pretty and unique and stays in place comfortably all day. I'm gonna then just add a little texture to my crown area, and that is all. It's super easy and a cool way to style a claw clip. I hope these styles were helpful. If you want to see more claw clip hairstyles, just click on our claw clip styles for 2021, and there's a lot more options as well.